What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we're on our way over to, well, I guess you just have to find out. We got to hook the trailer up. We're not going to the track like you think we are. We're going to check out a couple things that I've been meaning to bring to the channel. There's something on my white Foxbody I want to find out, so stick around to the end of the...
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know. No, I'm not stopping.
Now I got my trailer in tow here. We're actually gonna weigh the white Foxbody. I did weigh my black turbo Mustang, and it was 3450 with, in pretty much race form. It was 3550 with the street wheels on it. That's pretty heavy considering it's a street car, but what we're gonna do here is we want to figure out how much our white car weighs, and we want to get over here real quick before they close and get on the scales. Now I would have mostly just drove the white car over there and not been a big deal, but the last time we had it out, it was on slicks. It's kind of set up right now for racing, and with the tires, I didn't feel like changing the rear tires again. As we got an event tomorrow, Fat Man Invasions, where I'm gonna go to the track, and it's a charity event. If you guys want to check it out, we're gonna go to the track with the car and maybe do some passes down the, and support the cause. So yeah, that's the only reason why we're not in it right now driving. We got it in the trailer, so I decided to just haul the trailer over there and do a couple videos. If I really wanted true weight of my white car, I would put it up on scales at home, like it could give me to the pound. I'm pretty sure that the junkyard scales are within like 10 or 20 pounds, which I'm okay with that. That's a rough idea of how much it weighs. You guys enjoy this sort of stuff, man? Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. We made it here to Affordable Auto Parts. I'm gonna go ahead and get the white car out real quick before it rains too much, and we're gonna get up on the scales and see how much it weighs. I've been super curious to see how much my white car's weighed for a long time, actually. And we still got our slicks on, and we don't have the wing on. We don't gut our car at all, really. So we're gonna just take the weight of the car with me in it, add about 100 pounds for the NBX wheels and the wing, 125. So we get a good rough guesstimate of how much my car actually weighs. What's up, Junior? No, man. What's it weigh? All right, so we're gonna do two scales. Obviously, one with me in it, one with me not in it. I weigh about 209 pounds, so it'll probably round up or down. I think the scales are within 10 or 20 pounds of each other or whatever. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna weigh it with just the car on the scale. Go ahead, brother. What's it weigh?
You in it, and then you out of it.
So it weighs 3360 with me in it, in its current form with the slicks, and 3160 with me out of it. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not what I thought it would be. All right, so you guys got a chance to see the slip from the black car when we weighed it last year. And for the most part, we keep the black car as street as possible. It's got most, if not all, the amenities, including but not limited to a Y-pipe dual exhaust system for my turbo system. And of course, the turbo system itself adds weight, along with the fact that it's an aftermarket block, and they're a little bit heavier than stock block. But 3560 with me in it, 3460 with race weight. Definitely could take advantage of losing a little bit of weight in the cars and going a little bit faster, but I wanted to keep this Mustang in, pretty much as, more comfortable amenities with the seats, and that way I can take my friends and my family for a ride if I wanted to at some point. But the white car, well, that's a little bit of a different scenario. We have definitely been racing the white car quite a bit lately, and we've had nothing but fun with it. You guys have followed along in the channel. But one of the things I want to talk about today is possibly, you know, lightening the car up without actually making it look like it's like a stripped out Foxbody purposely built just for racing. Now, I'm not taking anything from what people do with their Fox bodies. Guys, you build your Fox bodies the way you want to build your Fox bodies. If you want to be as light as possible and be as fast as possible, that's definitely cool. I got a lot of friends that race with me that are definitely into that sort of thing. You know, the light is might. It'll let you have better ET times on the track. That's a known formula for a long time. And that's not just with Fox bodies, that's with all cars. So again, as you've seen in the video, the white car weighed 3360 with me in it, about 200 pounds less than the black Mustang, and about 3160 without me in it, which is about right. But my white car, I'd like to go a little bit faster with, and so we're gonna be doing a little bit of a series on how we actually accomplished that task without making more power by lightening it up. Now, we've always driven this car with full weight as a street car. This is one of my first Fox bodies. I've owned this for over 20 years. I think it's about time that we start shifting directions, taking weight out. If we're gonna go faster, we gotta be safer, so there's some other equipment that needs to go in. And we can do that and accomplish that and get better parts in my car and lose weight at the same time. So you're gonna be seeing this in another video. All right, so what's the plans with the white Fox body? We're gonna try to do this tastefully as far as putting it on a diet. You know, we're gonna take the rear bumper off with the brackets and put a chrome moly crash bar on there with a chute mount. We'll put the wing on when we wanna actually drive it on the street, because it'll still have street wheels. But you can already see here, you know, we've taken the rear seats out. We're gonna get the rear seat delete, that real nice one that you find on the internet, make it nice and clean, look nice and functional. Couple dual Kirky racing seats with tweed. I'll save 50 or 60 pounds there alone. We're thinking about doing the fiberglass hatch, but I'm afraid that if I take too much weight out of the back, I might run into too much weight not being in the back of the car for when we do race. So that's something we're gonna leave up in the air. We've already taken the heater box out because we haven't used heat and AC in this car in 15 years. But it's still gonna look full interior with the rear seat delete, still with the consoles and the dash and all the parts associated with it for the most part. But then we're gonna come to the front here, and we'll probably end up putting the crash bar instead of having the fiberglass front bumper. We're gonna cut the core support off because the core support's bent up real bad. We're gonna do a functional GT fog light without the big heavy brace, and of course the crash bar in the front to replace the bumper shocks and the fiberglass bumper. On top of those items, we're gonna get new wheels, because there's wheels that are a lot lighter than the SVE drag, and they're safer with bead locks. Plus, we're probably gonna switch over to strange brakes, because those SN95 rotors were like 22 pounds each, plus the brakes. The strange ones are definitely a lot lighter. So yeah, that's the plans with the white car. Guys, you build your Fox body the way you want to build your Fox body. We're at the point, I'm using my Fox body Mustangs as an example of one way you can do it. You know, I don't want to influence you to go out and take your interior out or take your heater box or AC, and that doesn't make your car any more different than it does mine. The black turbo Mustang, you know, we like to keep, you know, full amenities and see how fast we can go as a full weight street car for the most part. But the, you know, the white car is going to be kind of shifted now to where, you know, we can go a little bit faster in it, be a little bit more safe, and actually have better parts on it. So I just wanted you guys to know that I use my Fox bodies in this video as an example. It's not something that you need to do if that's not something you're into. Don't ever let anybody tell you how to build your Fox bodies, what color it should be, what interior should be in it. You just do what you do with your car the way you like it, like I do mine. All right, guys, this is pretty much all I got for you today. I just basically wanted to bring to the channel, I was going to do a video with the black car and how much it weighed last year, because we were doing the TKX, where we were trying to be the first TKX into the 9s. There's definitely advantages to being a lighter weight Fox body. Not only would you be faster, but there are some parts out there that you can buy that would make your car lighter and have a better part installed. And brakes is an example of that. So guys, I just appreciate you you watching the channel. You know, you build your Fox body the way you want to build your Fox body. I love the cruise with the black Mustang, and you know, go out there sometimes the track, make some hits, go quick. But really, it's all about the way you want to enjoy your Fox body Mustang. So if you enjoy this sort of stuff, leave me a comment below. Let me know what weight savings are out there. as we're just now going through the journey with the white car to lighten it up and make it look, still make it look nice and still look pretty full weight, but without all the extra excess. If you want to give something back to the channel, check out that join button, guys. Leave me a comment, leave me a big thumbs up on the way out. Outside of that, I appreciate you watching the channel. We'll see you soon in the next video.
Yeah, let's go. I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs, you know.